Hi, my name is Diana and welcome to Real Help. In today's episode, I will show you how to make hot chocolate from scratch. I will make it the old-fashioned way with cocoa powder and sugar. You'll need just 3 ingredients: milk, cocoa powder and sugar. Heat up the milk, or not. If you like cold chocolate milk, you can skip heating it and proceed with cold milk. But notice, the sauce will form slower and maybe a bit harder than with warm milk because cocoa powder dissolves excellent while working with warm temperatures. While the milk is on the stove, combine the cocoa powder and the sugar in a mug. I add 3.5 teaspoons of cocoa powder and 3 teaspoons of sugar to 230 milliliters or 1 cup of milk. Mix them very well dry as they are, then add some milk. Around 3 teaspoons of milk at first, then another 3 teaspoons. Mix until you form a sauce out of cocoa powder, sugar and milk. After the sauce is done, you can add the rest of the milk, but little by little, so it can blend very well. Now, if somehow you've added more milk, or if the milk is too cold and the sauce is very fluid, with lots of cocoa powder lumps undissolved, let it rest for 5 minutes just as it is, then mix it again. With a 5-minute rest, the cocoa lumps become more moist and you can break them more easily while stirring the mixture. And that's how you make hot chocolate from scratch. Thanks for watching. For more fundamentals and step-by-step videos, hit the like and subscribe buttons.